Hello, I'm board certified cardiologist Dr. Jack Wolfson, and I want to tell you today that coffee is excellent for people with atrial fibrillation. Now, atrial fibrillation affects millions of people around the world. In fact, it's probably the number one reason why people come out to see me in Arizona. But it turns out that coffee is good for people with atrial fibrillation. Coffee actually lowers inflammation, lowers oxidative stress, and those things can help people with atrial fibrillation. Coffee is also a natural blood thinner and may reduce stroke risk even in people with atrial fibrillation. Now, again, atrial fibrillation has many different causes, but if we can control some of those by providing the body with antioxidants from coffee, for example, we can actually do much better. And studies show that coffee drinkers have a lower risk of atrial fibrillation. So that's why I am proud to recommend coffee for people with atrial fibrillation. Now, if you're someone who doesn't react well to coffee, well, obviously, I don't recommend drinking it. But again, if you enjoy coffee and you have atrial fibrillation, you can safely continue to do so and actually lower your risk. But I want to give you one caveat to this. Drink organic coffee. Get the chemicals out of your coffee because when you get the chemicals out, that's going to give your body the best chance. So drinking an organic coffee, something that is tested negative for mold mycotoxins, doesn't have the metals, doesn't use synthetic fertilizers, and that's the best coffee you want to drink. And for that purpose, we recommend a brand called Cardiology coffee. And Cardiology coffee was developed by yours truly, single source Honduran farm. Actually, was started by women in 1993 as a women's cooperative, and they're really bringing a lot of value. Our team has been down there to the farm, and again, really just great things going on at that organic farm in Honduras. You're not going to find our coffee anywhere else in the world. It's a medium roast variety. You're going to love it. So, people with atrial fibrillation, go ahead. 1, 2, 3. Some data shows that even up to 6 to 7 cups per day is actually beneficial for the person with atrial fibrillation. So, coffee can be medicine. Give it a try. I'm Dr. Jack Wolfson, board certified cardiologist. Keep drinking your organic coffee, and I invite you to try Cardiology coffee for the absolute best in heart health.